What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please press that subscribe button and join the family of lovelies. Also turn notifications on so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Today we're going to be diving into 2 new products, doing a quick demo. Also, do not forget that interaction with me is a must. So make sure that you're dropping those comments and letting me know how your girl is doing. Are you ready? Let's get it. Alright guys, I'm about to hit you guys with a new product alert. Drum roll, please. Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. Now these I picked up at my local drugstore, and I mean, they're eye-catching. Look at these shades. This one is a eyeshadow. It says lid line plus lash. So we're just going to do a quick demo just to show you how these guys perform, and then I'm going to come back in about 2 hours and show you what it looks like then. But before I dive into these products, I need to quickly apply a transition color, so I'm going to do that quickly off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I wanted to let you guys know today my eyes are not gonna be even. I'm going to be looking like a hot mess, so just a fair warning, they are not gonna be even today, so please don't read me to filth on that. But we are just going to jump into the first one. This one is called Desert Dazzle. Now it has a shimmer metallic color. This is a green, and then it also has a gold glitter, which definitely would look good on the inner corner, so we're gonna put that there. And then this one is called Peach Prism, and this one is like a rose gold color, which we're gonna put that one on our eyes as well. And then this peachy glitter. The glitter kind of gives off a rainbow effect. So I hope you guys are ready. So the first thing that caught my eye about this product, not only the vibrant colors, but the wands. These look like liquid lip wands, and that's what I thought it was at first. I thought it was a liquid lip. But we are just going to use this wand to apply it. Not bad. Alright, I am going to give this a couple of minutes to dry down just because this is a liquid and I do not want it to crease. So make sure that you are looking down when giving this a moment to dry. You can even go with the natural quick hand fan. Alright, I've given it a couple of minutes to dry down, and I mean, it's not bad. So this one is Desert Dazzle, and we're gonna put this green right here. Alright guys, this one has dried down completely. Alright, now for this side, I'm just going to use this gold as a liner. Now the wand resembles an eyeliner wand. It's a little too fat to be an eyeliner wand. Okay, now we're going in with this line. Wow, that is gorgeous. It's not too much glitter, but it's just enough to be like, hey, how are you? My name's Heaven, what's up? So for this side, I'm going to apply it differently, and I'm just going to use this glitter as a shade topper and just see what happens. Okay, that's gorgeous too. Not too bad. I am gravitating more towards this side. I mean, we can let it dry down and see how it works. Okay, so we're gonna give this about 3 minutes to completely dry down. We might even throw in the hand fan. All right, guys, she has dried down and is looking lovely. We are just going to do a quick line and some, not lashes, we're just gonna do a quick 1-2 of some mascara, and I will be right back with my final thoughts.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, I am going to get up close so that you guys can see what's going on with this product right now. It is flaking like crazy. I can't, like, can you see the dust? It's flaking. Both of them are flaking and they're not staying on. I'm super bummed about this because it's a very nice color. Big boo on my behalf. This is a huge fail for me. Alright guys, if you have enjoyed what you've seen here today, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Even though that this was a huge fail for me, I still enjoyed creating this video for you guys. I always love enjoying, and I live for it, interacting with each and every one of you. So until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.